Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the science class. This is the book for the class 7. Today our task is to do the test yourself questions of the chapter 11, that is transport in humans. So come to the page number 140 and this is your first test yourself, and these are the 9 questions, so we will do one by one all these. So the first question is on the page number 140. This is first test yourself of this chapter. How much blood is there in your body? आपकी body में कितना blood है? Answer of this question would be on the page number 138. Heading blood. This is the last line of the answer. There are about 5.5 liters of blood in your body. So this is the answer of the question number 1. You will mark from here and it will end here. So the next question is name 4 things that make up blood. वो 4 चीज़ें बनानी जो आपके ब्लड में होती हैं, आपके ब्लड को बनाती हैं. These are red cells, red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma and the platelets. This is the answer of the question number 2. Next is question number 3. Name 4 things that are transported in the blood plasma. The answer of question number 3 would be on the page number 138. It will start from here. These include digested food from the intestines, carbon dioxide and urea from the cells, and hormones. So this is the answer of the question number 3. Next is question number 4. What do red blood cells do? Red blood cells क्या करते हैं? So the answer is red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. So this is the answer of the question number 4. Next question is describe how the blood transports oxygen around the body. So answer of the question number 5 would be on the page number 138. It will start from here. Red cells pick up oxygen as blood is pumped through the lungs. Hemoglobin joins with oxygen to make oxyhemoglobin, which is bright red. As it travels around the body, the oxyhemoglobin changes back to hemoglobin, releasing the oxygen to the cells. Without oxygen, the blood is dull red color before it is pumped back to the lungs to collect more oxygen. So this is the answer of the question number 5. Next question is question number 6. Give 2 differences between the red and the white blood cells. आपने 2 differences बताने हैं red blood cells में और white blood cells में. First difference क्या है आपके पास? White cells have a nucleus while red blood cells do not. Red blood cells में nucleus नहीं होता. And the second difference is white cells can change their shape. Red cells can't change. जो white blood cells हैं वो अपनी shape को change कर सकते हैं और red cells जो हैं वो shape को change नहीं कर सकते. So these are the 2 differences of the red blood cells and the white blood cells. Next is question number 7. What are antibodies? Answer would be on the page number 139. It will start from here. Antibodies are the chemicals that destroy microorganisms by dissolving them. So this is the line, that's the answer of the question number 7. Next is question number 8. What is the difference between an antibody and antitoxin? It will start from the page number 139. Antibodies are the chemicals that destroy microorganisms by dissolving them. There is a difference antibody to each kind of microorganism. Antitoxins break down the toxins that microorganisms produce. So this is the answer of the question number 8. It will start from the antibodies and it will end at produce. Next is question number 9. Describe how platelets form a blood clot. It will start from the page number 139. Topic platelets. These are the 2 points. Platelet cause tiny fibers to form a net across the cut. Red cells get catch in the net, forming a blood clot. The surface of the clot hardens to form a scab. This keeps the cut clean while new skin grows. So this is the answer of the question number 9. These 2 points are the answers. So now your first test yourself is completed. So we will move forward on the next test yourself. The second test yourself of the chapter 11, page 141. The first question is, what is tissue fluid? So its answer would be on the page number 140. Tissue fluid is mainly water and it forms a continuous link between the water in the blood plasma and the water in the cell cytoplasm. This is the answer of this question. Next question is, why does tissue fluid leaks out of blood capillaries? So the answer of this question is, the tissue fluid leak out of blood capillaries because के बाद अपने यहाँ से start करने हैं. The walls of the smallest blood vessels like capillaries are very thin with tiny holes in them. A liquid called tissue fluid, it leaks out. यहाँ तक आपने करना है. So this is the answer of the question number 2. Why? Explain why fresh meat is wet. So answer of this question is, tissue fluid is mainly water, that's why fresh meat looks wet. It will start from fresh meat is fresh or wet because के बाद पहले अपने कहाँ से start करना है, यहाँ से. Fresh meat is wet because it is covered with tissue fluid coming from the meat muscles. So this is the answer of the question number 3. Next question number 4. Urea gets from the body cells to the blood plasma by diffusion through the tissue fluid. Explain what this means. इसका meaning क्या है? So the answer would be of this question is, diffusion is the movement of a substance from high concentration to lower concentration. Full stop. Next, in body cells there is more urea than in the blood, so it moves from the cells to the blood through the tissue fluid. So this is the answer of the question number 4. So now your second test yourself is completed.